If you're seeing the Epic Games error 502 bad gateway, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into the launcher and continue gaming. This error is usually caused by a temporary server issue, a network problem, or something inside the Epic Games launcher that needs to be refreshed. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it without reinstalling anything. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, before changing anything on your computer, check the Epic Games server status. Sometimes the 502 bad gateway error is not on your side at all. It happens when Epic's servers are having trouble. Open your browser and search for the Epic Games server status page, or go directly to Epic's official status page if you already know the link. If you see an outage or degraded service, the best fix may simply be to wait a little while and try again later. A 502 error is often temporary, so if everything looks down on their end, there's nothing wrong with your system. If the servers are up, the next step is to fully restart the Epic Games launcher. Don't just close the window, you want to make sure it is completely shut down. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look for Epic Games Launcher in the list of running apps or background processes, then select it and click End Task. Once it's fully closed, open the launcher again and see if the error is gone. A fresh restart often clears minor connection issues and forces the launcher to reconnect properly. If the error still appears, give it a few minutes and try again. That may sound too simple, but a 502 bad gateway error often disappears on its own once the connection between Epic and the server is restored. Refresh the launcher, sign in again, and test whether the issue is temporary. A short wait can save you from doing extra troubleshooting that you may not need. Now let's move on to network and DNS troubleshooting. One of the most effective fixes for connection-related errors is flushing your DNS cache. To do that, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This clears out old network records that may be pointing your launcher in the wrong direction. After that, restart your router or modem. Power cycle your network hardware by turning it off, waiting about 30 seconds, and turning it back on. This helps clear temporary network glitches and can fix cached connection issues that affect the Epic Games launcher. Once your internet is back online, try launching Epic Games again and check whether the 502 error is gone. If you're still stuck, go into the launcher itself and change the language to System Default. Open Epic Games, Launcher Settings, find the language option and switch it to System Default. Then close the launcher completely and reopen it. In some cases, a language mismatch or a broken cached setting can interfere with normal loading, and this quick adjustment can fix it. Another important step is to disable any VPN you may be using. VPNs can sometimes interfere with how the launcher connects to Epic's servers, especially if the routing is unstable or the region is causing authentication issues. If you have a VPN active, turn it off completely, restart the launcher, and try again. If you need the launcher working as fast as possible, testing without a VPN is one of the easiest things you can do. You should also try running the Epic Games launcher as an administrator. Right-click the launcher icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to connect properly, update files, or access cached data. If the issue was caused by a permission problem, this simple step can make a big difference. Now for the more technical fix, clearing the web cache. Epic Games Launcher stores temporary web data in its app data folder, and if that cache becomes corrupted, it can trigger loading problems and server errors like 502 bad gateway. To clear it, first close the launcher completely, then open File Explorer and go to your app data folder. From there, locate the Epic Games folder and find the web cache files inside. Delete those cache files, then reopen the launcher. This forces Epic Games to rebuild fresh cache data, which often resolves stubborn launcher issues. If you've tried all of these steps and the error still remains, your best option is to wait a bit longer and test again later, because the issue may still be on Epic's side. But in most cases, one of these fixes will get the launcher working again. Start with the server check, then restart the launcher, flush DNS, restart your router, disable VPN, run as administrator, and finally clear the web cache if needed. If this video helped you fix the Epic Games error 502 bad gateway, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I've got more easy fixes coming up, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.